How's it going, everybody? CryptStock here from Precision Trading Academy. In today's video, I'll be sharing what I believe is the absolute safest bet you can make in crypto by far, and that involves, you guessed it, ISO 20022. The ISO 20022 standard will set a new standard of communication for all financial institutions worldwide. This new standard will completely change the financial landscape and improve international money transfers. Europe will transition towards the end of 2022, and the US will implement in 2023. Cryptos that update their blockchain to comply with this new standard will likely appreciate in price if they are chosen for payments by banks. SWIFT, the current global messaging network that banks use to send funds internationally, will be entirely updated to ISO 20022 near the start of 2023. Its original format will no longer be used at all by 2025. So far, the only two compatible cryptos are Ripple's XRP and Stellar Lumen's XLM. It's rumored that cryptos like Myota and Algorand are also compliant. However, Ripple is the only crypto player that's officially part of the ISO 20022 management group. And here's the list of the cryptos that are compliant or rumored to be compliant. And that's XRP, XLM, XDC, Myota, Algo, Hbar, QNT, and ADA. So next, I'll go to these coins' websites real quick, touch on them just a little bit, and then I'll do some technical analysis and share my personal buy zones for these coins that I like. So first off, we have XRP, ranked number 6 on CoinMarketCap, and it's a utility for the new global economy. And as you can see right here, companies, institutions, developers, and individuals around the world use XRP and the blockchain on which it runs, the XRP ledger, because of its extraordinary utility. And that utility includes these unmatched benefits, which XRP is fast, stable, low cost, sustainable, scalable, and distributed. And what I personally like about XRP is that if it wins this lawsuit with SEC, or if there's a settlement, I think it could be adopted by institutions and put to use in a massive way, which in return would drive up use, causing price to rise. So next up, we'll go to Algorand. And first off, I want to show y'all this website real quick because it's absolutely unbelievable. Probably the coolest website I've ever seen, I think. It's pretty neat. Anyways, Algo is ranked number 30 on CoinMarketCap. Now, what I want to show about Algo is the green blockchain. Okay, watch a little bit more of this first. All right, let's get to it. So the green blockchain. Algorand pledges to be the greenest blockchain with a carbon negative network now and in the future. So a coin like this that drives electricity consumption to almost zero could seriously take off, especially without, environmentally friendly the world is becoming, year after year. So Algorand, I think, has serious potential. Next, Hbar. Hbar is ranked number 33 on CoinMarketCap, and there's really just one thing I really want to share real quick about Hbar, and it's this right here. So Hedera is owned and governed by the world's leading organizations. You have Boeing, Google, LG, Ubisoft. All these big megacorps are running Hedera. Okay, so when something is this big with this much money and power backing it, it's a huge green light for me, and I get interested. Now, some people argue that Hbar isn't decentralized enough, so they don't like it, and that's a topic for another video. But I know I'm going to follow these guys right here. So, not financial advice. I think Hbar is a must. Once we get down, if TA looks good as well, Hbar is a big go for me. Now, QNT is ranked number 62 on CoinMarketCap, and its main use is to connect all the world's distributed ledgers for faster, more efficient growth. It's an interoperable blockchain operating system that's hyper-decentralized, meaning it stores data in multiple blocks of blocks instead of just one block. There's a ton of use case here, and that's what I look for in good investments. So QNT, absolutely massive. It can get a little complicated, no doubt. QNT is a pretty complicated software. So keep that in mind when you look into this stuff. May not make sense to you 100%, but this is a good investment right here. So XLM, ranked number 27 on CoinMarketCap. It's an open network for storing and moving money. Okay, so it's very similar to XRP with the exception of one pretty major difference. Lumens caters towards helping individuals transfer money, whereas XRP is going for the big guns. XRP is going for the institutions, the big banks, the big guys. So that's the biggest difference there. And with both of them being so far as we actually know, ISO 20022 compliant, So two pretty safe bets right there in my opinion. So just keep that in mind right there. Not financial advice. Cardano ranked number 8 on CoinMarketCap. It wants to make the world work better for all. And this is pretty cool right here. But anyways, all right, so what I like about Cardano is the total supply is capped at 45 billion coins. So it may not be as explosive as some other alts, but a limited supply on a project that's solid to its core is a pretty good option for a long-term investment in my opinion. Who knows? This could be like investing in Bitcoin in 2013. We never know. Anyways, so this is pretty massive for me. Now that y'all have a quick understanding of those coins right there, those are my 6 favorite ISO 20022 compliant coins. I'll dive into the TA. So first, I'll touch on Bitcoin just really fast, real quick, kind of show y'all something pretty neat here. I posted this on my Twitter, so if you're not following that, go check that out. But the Bollinger Bands right here on the daily chart have not been this tight since October of 2020. And when the Bollinger Bands tighten, that indicates volatility. So here soon, I definitely expect some rapid movement. Now, I will point out that we have bullish divergence forming right here, just like we have it forming right here, just like we did last summer. So, and you see how this played out right here. Not saying that's what's gonna happen. Obviously a different structure, pretty bearish structure in my opinion. A quick drop down to 22K to touch that 200-week moving average would not surprise me at all. But at the same time, a quick run up to 33,000 first wouldn't surprise me at all. So I'm not going to talk too much about Bitcoin on this video. I'm just going to share my buy zones for these ISO coins. So XRP, as you can see, this high volume node right here lines up with this weekly breaker perfectly, and that is where my buy zone is. This should act as super strong support. So anywhere from 0.26 to about 0.31, 0.30, I think is a great pickup for XRP. I'll personally be loading up quite a bit. Now we have Hbar. Hbar, it's sitting on some really nice support right now, but if Bitcoin drops down, Algorand's definitely going to drop down, I think, to at least this level. This level makes sense. Again, lines up with this HVN. So right here, anywhere around 0.03 makes a lot of sense to pick some up, in my opinion. None of this is financial advice. I'm just sharing what I will be doing. Now, Cardano is also close to this buy zone right here. There's some solid support right here, but as you can see, this is the highest volume node. Do I think we'll get there? Not quite sure. We have some good support right here. I think we'll visit first, and then we can reevaluate. But anyway, right here, if you're a long-term holder, if you're not worrying about, worrying about this investment for the next year or two, then adding in right here, nothing wrong with that. It's still super cheap for Cardano, about 0.34, but down here around 0.15, it's a big difference. I like this buy zone right here, and I think eventually we will end up getting back down there. Now, XLM, another really good crypto. And as you can tell, this weekly support lines up with this HVN as well. I think it could do really good if we get down here. Nice pickup around 0.06 for sure. Algorand, probably one of my favorite coins, to be honest with you. And we are sitting on some massive support. The BTC pairing also is sitting on some major support. Look at this HVN. If I was going to buy anything, which I join our Discord if you want to know, but if I was going to load up on a coin right now, it would probably be Algorand. Now, does that mean it can't drop? No, absolutely, it can drop for sure. But we're sitting on some massive support, and the BTC pairing looks very good as well. QNT, another one of my favorite coins right here. Again, weekly support lining up with this HVN. Really nice pickup around 34, 35. That's what I'm looking at for QNT. So there you have it. That's all of them for now. If y'all like this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what video you want me to make next. I'll probably do some on some individual altcoins. I'm really big into money management, so I might do some on that as well. But again, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll talk to y'all soon. Later, guys.